Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato pillows easy guide. Start by boiling 2 medium potatoes until tender, then mash with 1 cup flour, salt, and a beaten egg. Knead lightly into a soft dough, divide into equal pieces, and flatten for stuffing. Fill with cheese or seasoned vegetables, seal edges, and shape into pillows. Choose baking or pan frying for a golden finish and serve warm with a sauce. For fillings, keep flavors balanced and not too wet so the dough seals properly. Try shredded cheese with fresh chives for a simple crowd pleaser, or sauté mushrooms and onions with a splash of soy sauce for umami. If using meat, drain excess fat and cool before stuffing. You can also mix in herbs or a pinch of chili flakes for heat. Test one pillow first to confirm seasoning and sealing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers that keep potato pillows neat and prevent spills when you transport lunches. They are a game changer for leftovers. I love how they stack and seal, and they save cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To cook, preheat oven to 375 degrees F or heat a skillet over medium. Place prepared pillows on a lined tray with spacing, brush lightly with oil, and bake until golden and set. For pan frying, add a bit of oil and cook until both sides are crisp and internal dough is cooked through. Let pillows rest a few minutes before serving to avoid hot filling spills, and garnish with fresh herbs for color and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.